Hi everybody, welcome back to another Food Review Vlog channel. My name is Manzione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, right off the bat, I want to apologize. I lost my voice about 3.5 days ago and I'm slowly getting it back. So I'm sorry about the lack of videos, but I can't do a video without my voice. So this is the best it's been all week. So I apologize if I sound hoarse, but I want to welcome back to our new, fresh edition of Subway Sundays, and I'm so excited for this. I'm super pumped, and I hope you guys are pumped up too. Um, as you know, if you don't know what Subway Sundays is, or no, is at this time. So if you don't know what Subway Sundays is, every Sunday or thereabouts, every Sunday, I go to Subway and ask for the menu, doing custom sandwiches, things on the menu I haven't done, and new items like we got today. We got 2 brand new items from Subway. And oh boy, oh man, we're just gonna unwrap it like this. And the Subway, they always seem to impress. As we unwrap the package, let me see if I can do that. There we go. Okay, it's a little bit unconventional, but look at this. Subway has new packaging. Yay! Wow. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! What? This is the thumbnail, folks. Ah! Make this is the thumbnail. Ah! Okay. Ooh! Look at that pull. So this is the new meatball marinara on the ultimate cheesy garlic bread. Let me put it right there. There we go. Okay. So this is the new. Okay. There we go. Now you can see me. This is the new ultimate cheesy garlic bread. And this is the meatball marinara. I add pepperoni to this. Nothing to say about this, but we're just gonna get right into this because the star of the show is new ultimate cheesy garlic bread. Let's see how it is. Let's go. Wow. Oh my God. So the garlic is actually baked into the bread, or at least at my Subway, they baked it into the bread. So the garlic is baked in the bread. They actually use real garlic bread, and at the bottom of the sandwich, they put the a garlic butter aioli sauce. Oh, this is delicious. So the aioli sauce is with the garlic and oil on the bottom of the sandwich, and plus it's baked into the actual bread itself. And you can argue that it may be too much garlic, but I don't think so. I think it's a perfect amount of garlic. It mixes. It's incredible with the meatballs. Oh. Dare I say this right now? I'm gonna say this right now. probably one of the best things I've had from Subway. Bar none. Bar none. One of the best things I've had from Subway in a very, very long time. And that's saying a lot. Whoops. Didn't mean to spill. Or overspill. Wow. This is incredible. Again, the garlic is actually baked in the bread itself. So you really can't see inside the bread because it's baked in. I probably could have just got 6 inch, but it's okay. That garlic mixed with the meatball. It's an incredible flavor. Now that we ate all the insides, now it's for the real starter. So let's see what the bread tastes like just by itself. Oh my god. The combination of the cheese and the garlic by itself is just incredible. This is the last bite, I promise. Wow. I have another half here, but I'm going to stop there. Incredible, folks. Incredible. This is one of the, and I'm sorry, I barely can talk, but this is one of the best things Subway has going for them right now. And I have another idea for next week's Subway Sunday. I'm going to do chicken parm on this bread. I'm going to do the chicken, the roasted chicken, and I'm going to do marinara sauce. I'm going to do chicken parm on this Italian or the cheesy garlic bread and see how it tastes. So that's next week's Subway Sunday. So that's something to look forward to next week. So with that being said, let's rate this on the scale of 1 to 10. 1 being awful, 10 being awesome. I'm going to give the new Subway Ultimate Cheesy Garlic Bread Sandwich a rating of 10 out of 10, folks. It is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this. It is perfect. It is an absolute would recommend. If I'm using Ken Dominick's rating scale, it's a would recommend. On Dave's rating scale, it's a 5 all day. On C-Snacks' rating scale, it's a banging. And on the report of the week's rating scale, if we were to use that, I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10. On the endorsements rating scale, because he goes, do not waste your time, do not waste your money, or the promised land of, I'm going to give this a 97 out of 100. Oh my god, this is so good. Go out to your local Subway, get yourself an ultimate or cheesy garlic bread sandwich. I did the meatball marinara. Next week I'm going to do the chicken parm. Just see if that's any better. Let me know what you think about it, and we're going to go from there. Alright folks, thank you so much for joining me for another edition of Subway Sundays. You guys are awesome. That would do it for my review. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like, please share, please subscribe as I clean up. And stay tuned because next up I have a new exclusive product from Subway, another new item from Subway. You get a bonus Subway Sundays. I think I'm gonna do it. If I don't get to the chicken part this week, I will do it next week. Or I'll do bonus Subway Sunday on Sundays. So stay tuned for the new exciting product for Subway Sundays. And from the Food Lab, folks, this is Nick Manzione signing off. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you again next Sunday for another edition of Subway Sundays. Take care.